Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the dart is worth fixing. Inspect the foam integrity and tip alignment. Once done, remove any loose debris with a gentle pinch and a needle, exposing the foam core where glue will bond. Make sure to cut only torn edges, not healthy foam. This preserves flight balance. Then prepare a tiny bead of PVA or superglue on a scrap surface, testing tack time. You will now proceed to the detailed reshaping and bonding stage. You carefully reshape the dart by trimming frayed edges and restoring a consistent cylindrical profile, because symmetry governs stable flight. Once balanced, apply a thin 0.5 to 1 mm line of glue along splits and press gently for 10-20 seconds. This creates a seamless bond without saturating the foam. If the tip is collapsed, build it back with thin layers so each cures before adding more. Make sure the hollow core remains clear so the blaster seating isn't impeded. You complete repairs by allowing full cure time. Patience prevents rework and keeps structural integrity. Then test fire 3 to 5 shots at close range, watching for yaw, short-range drop, or poor seal. These tell you if balance or seating failed. If the dart wobbles, make micro trims of 0.5 mm or add a tiny tape ring to restore diameter. If it jams or splits again, replace the dart. One troubleshooting tip: if repeated misfires occur,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.